Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever had that sinking feeling, that gut-wrenching moment when your electric vehicle, your shiny, eco-friendly marvel just sputters asterisk? Worse yet, it completely refuses to budge? You're not alone. Today, we're diving headfirst into the often mysterious world of EV battery failure, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Now, before we jump in, I want to be upfront. While I've done my homework, and we'll be exploring this topic thoroughly, my research hasn't turned up any smoking gun, brand new studies on this precise subject. So, we're relying on general knowledge, widely accepted principles, and a healthy dose of common sense. Think of this as a deep dive into the fundamentals, not the cutting-edge scientific frontier. Let's start with the basics. Your EV battery is the heart of the machine, a complex system of cells working together to power your wheels. Think of it like a massive, sophisticated Lego castle. If even one tiny brick is damaged or misplaced, the whole thing can be compromised. And just like that Lego castle, there are a multitude of ways things can go wrong. One of the most common culprits? Overcharging. Just like your phone, constantly keeping your EV plugged in after it's fully charged can put undue stress on the battery, leading to premature degradation. Think of it as constantly overfilling your gas tank. Eventually, something's gotta give. Another major factor is temperature. Extreme heat or cold can significantly affect battery performance and lifespan. Excessive heat can degrade the battery chemistry faster, while extreme cold can reduce its capacity and power output. That's why you might notice a decrease in range during a particularly frigid winter. This isn't necessarily a failure, but it's a performance degradation directly affecting the battery's longevity. Then there's the issue of driving habits. Aggressive acceleration and braking put extra strain on the battery, essentially working it harder than necessary. Smooth driving, on the other hand, is much gentler on your battery's cells. Think of it like this: would you rather hammer on a nail with a sledgehammer or gently tap it in with a small hammer? Gentle wins every time. Now, what about actual failures? Well, things like cell imbalances, where some cells in the battery pack are charged differently than others, can significantly impact performance and lead to premature aging. This is often a result of the points we've already discussed: overcharging, extreme temperatures, and aggressive driving. And let's not forget physical damage. Everything from minor bumps and scrapes to major collisions can compromise the battery pack's integrity. Again, think back to that Lego castle. A good stump can cause a lot of trouble. So, how do you fix these issues? Well, that depends on the severity of the problem. Minor issues, like cell imbalances, might be addressed through software updates or recalibration, often handled by a service center. More significant problems, like damaged cells or physical damage, might require more extensive repairs or even battery replacement, a costly affair, but often unavoidable. Now, before you panic and start envisioning a mountain of repair bills, remember that preventative maintenance is key. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for charging and driving, avoid extreme temperatures whenever possible, and be mindful of your driving style. These simple steps can significantly extend your battery's lifespan and potentially save you a fortune in the long run. And here's where the DIY part comes in with a big caveat. While you might be tempted to tackle some repairs yourself, especially if you're mechanically inclined, most EV battery repairs are best left to professionals. These batteries are complex, high-voltage systems, and working on them incorrectly can be dangerous, even deadly. Think twice before you grab those tools. Okay, let's talk about the community aspect of this. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. You're essentially joining a community of EV enthusiasts, helping us keep the knowledge flowing. So, to wrap things up, EV battery failure is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors, but understanding these factors empowers you to take preventative measures and make informed decisions. Remember, responsible driving, careful charging, and regular maintenance are your best allies in keeping your EV running smoothly for years to come. What are your biggest concerns about EV battery health? Let me know in the comments below.